Are you tired of worrying about the security of your tools, equipment, and inventory in your cargo van? Then take a look at the slicklocks door lock kit for Ford Transit Connect. This vehicle-specific kit includes 3 puck locks that secure the cargo area of your van, giving you peace of mind. And the best part is that no drilling is required to install the locks. They have proprietary blade brackets that attach to existing holes on the van and install within minutes. The no-drill blade brackets mean no rust, corrosion, or damage to the vehicle that traditional cargo van locks can cause. The blade brackets are so stealthy, you can't even see them when the locks are in place. The puck locks include a proprietary spinner that prevents tampering or destruction of the locks. The included weather cover keeps moisture, ice, dust, and other elements out of the lock and spinner, ensuring long-lasting use. The locks are all keyed alike and come with 2 keys per locks, so you have a total of 6 duplicate keys for your Transit Connect. So why risk the security of your cargo when you can have peace of mind with the slicklocks door lock kit? Order yours today at upfitsupply.com.